Now in this one we'll be taking a look at how we can authorize our APIs using AD B2C that we configured in the previous lecture. So all we need to do now is go to this API management service that we have. So we'll click on that, and once inside it we will be going to APIs, and in that we'll be selecting the API that we want to cover. So here I'll be going with this API, and when you click on that you'll get to see the inbound processing. Here we will be adding a policy which is known as validate JWT, that's JavaScript Web Token. So you select that, and we need to go and select full. Here the header name will be provided. We'll be keeping the same authorization as mentioned here, and the field validation HTTP code will be 401 only. We do require expiration time, so we'll say yes, and sign tokens as well. After that we will be going with audiences that we have over here. Now for audiences we need to have our application ID. Now that application ID comes from the AD B2C register application feature. So here we'll be going to that AD B2C directory, and the app registrations that we had there, we will be basically going and selecting this ID that we have. You can click on this link to copy it to clipboard. Once that's copied, all we need to do is paste it over there. So here we'll say add audiences, and then I can go ahead and paste it. Now once that's done, the next item that we need to do is issuers. Now for issuers we'll be again going back to our AD B2C, and this time we will be going into user flows. So we created this user flow, register and login. We'll click on that, and inside this we'll be going with run user flow. When we click on that, you'll see a link coming on top. Click on this link and it will open up a new browser window, and there you can see it's showing issuer, and we'll be required to copy this link. Just copy this, and we'll be putting it over here, add issuer. Next we will be required to put OpenID URLs, and OpenID URL is the URL in the address bar itself, so just copy that, and here we'll be putting it over here as this, and click on save. Now we are done with the configuration, and now all our API requests are going to be authorized first, and then they will be accessible to the user once they have been successfully validated. So that's how we authorize our API requests.